Hey there, food lovers! Prepare to unleash your creativity and craft a masterpiece today. We created the most famous caramel brownie cheesecake ever. This treat is a rich, fudgy brownie base topped with creamy cheesecake and drenched in gooey caramel that's pure dessert royalty. Ready for this showstopper. Let's grab our ingredients, preheat those ovens, and get started.
Before we get our hands dirty, let's round up our A-list ingredients. These are the stars of our show, the ones that will make our dessert truly unforgettable. Trust us, this lineup is worth its weight in gold, or should we say, chocolate. The rich, velvety chocolate will be the heart and soul of our creation. For the brownie base, 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, melted to perfection, 2 cups granulated sugar to add that sweet touch, and 4 large eggs to bind everything together and give it that perfect texture. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract for that aromatic hint, and 1 cup all-purpose flour to give our brownies structure and body. Half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, the essence of our chocolatey goodness, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance all the flavors perfectly. For the cheesecake layer, use 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, softened to a creamy consistency, 1½ cups of granulated sugar to sweeten the deal, and 3 large eggs to make it rich and smooth. And of course, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract adds that classic cheesecake flavor. For the caramel swirl, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, the secret to our luscious caramel, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar to deepen the caramel flavor, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter to make it rich and creamy, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to bring out all the flavors in our caramel swirl. Now that we have our star-studded cast of ingredients, we are ready to embark on this delicious journey. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, and together, they will create a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave everyone asking for more. So let's get started and make some magic in the kitchen. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that our brownies bake evenly and achieve that perfect gooey texture we all love. A well-preheated oven sets the stage for baking success, so don't rush this part. Take a moment to double-check the temperature and make sure your oven is ready to go. Next, grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. You can use butter, oil, or even a non-stick spray. This will prevent our brownies from sticking to the pan and make it easier to remove them once they're baked. Make sure to cover all the corners and edges thoroughly. A well-greased pan is key to achieving those perfect clean edges on your brownies. Now, let's build our brownie base, the rock upon which our dessert empire shall stand. This base is the foundation of our brownies, providing that rich, chocolatey flavor and dense, fudgy texture. It's essential to get this part just right, as it sets the tone for the entire dessert. So, let's dive in and start mixing. Whisk together the melted butter and sugar in a large bowl until smooth. This step is crucial for creating a smooth, even batter. The butter adds richness and moisture, while the sugar provides sweetness and helps to create that signature brownie crust. Take your time to whisk these ingredients together until they are fully combined and smooth. Beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This helps create a smooth, cohesive batter and ensures the eggs are evenly distributed throughout. Eggs add structure and stability to the batter, helping the brownies to rise and set properly. Then stir in the vanilla. Vanilla extract enhances the chocolate flavor and adds a subtle, sweet aroma to the brownies. It's a small addition but makes a big difference in the overall flavor profile. Make sure to mix it in thoroughly so that the vanilla is evenly distributed throughout the batter. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. These dry ingredients provide structure and balance to the batter. The flour adds stability, the cocoa powder gives that rich chocolate flavor, and the salt enhances all the flavors and balances the sweetness. Make sure to mix these ingredients together thoroughly to ensure an even distribution. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined.
don't overmix. Overmixing can lead to tough, dense brownies. We want to keep the batter light and airy, so mix until the dry ingredients are incorporated. This will help create the perfect fudgy texture we aim for. Pour the brownie batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Make sure to get the batter into all the corners and smooth out the top. This will help the brownies to bake evenly and create a uniform texture. Once the batter is evenly spread, it's ready to go into the oven. Get ready for the delicious aroma of baking brownies to fill your kitchen.
Now for the cheesecake layer, a symphony of smooth, tangy goodness that'll make you want to shout hallelujah from the rooftops. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Pour the cheesecake batter over the brownie layer and spread evenly. Get ready for the caramel combustion. It's time to ignite your taste buds with an explosion of flavor. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get seriously caramelized. Combine the sweetened condensed milk, brown sugar, butter, and salt in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and bubbles, about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. Drizzle the caramel sauce over the cheesecake layer. Use a knife or toothpick to swirl the caramel into the cheesecake.
Our masterpiece is almost complete. Now it's time to let the oven work its magic. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the cheesecake is set around the edges and the center is just slightly jiggly. Let cool completely on a wire rack before serving.
We know it's hard, but resist the urge to dive in just yet. This beauty needs time to cool down and set properly. Trust us, the wait will be worth it. Once cooled, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight.
The moment of truth has arrived. Slice into your creation, grab a fork, and prepare to be amazed. This caramel brownie cheesecake is rich, decadent, and oh so satisfying. It's the perfect ending to any meal, and trust us, it's guaranteed to impress your friends and family. Get ready to embark on a baking adventure of epic proportions because today, we're whipping up a dessert so decadent, so irresistible, it should come with a warning label. We're talking about layers of pure indulgence that will make your heart skip a beat. The amazing caramel brownie cheesecake. Yes, you heard that right. This masterpiece combines the rich, fudgy goodness of brownies with the creamy, dreamy texture of cheesecake, all topped off with a generous drizzle of luscious caramel. This isn't just any dessert. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, a dance of fudgy brownies, creamy cheesecake, and luscious caramel that'll have your taste buds singing. Imagine biting into a slice and experiencing the perfect harmony of sweet and savory, soft and crunchy. Are you ready to unleash your inner baking rock star? This recipe is going to take your baking skills to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a newbie in the kitchen, this dessert is sure to impress. Let's get this sugar-fueled party started. Grab your apron, preheat your oven, and dive into the world of caramel brownies and cheesecake. Trust us, your taste buds are in for a treat. So buckle up, Buttercups, and let's bake something unforgettable. Did you enjoy this baking adventure? We hope you loved every minute of it. Now go forth and spread the sweetness by sharing this recipe with all your friends and family. Don't forget to tag us in your creations on social media. You can even share your masterpiece in the comments below. We'd love to see your baking masterpieces. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more deliciousness, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking adventure. Until next time, happy baking.